15.
Okay, now you're going to get this video because we made a mistake with our brackets, so we're going to show you how to install the Westin HDX grill guard for 2015 Ford F150 Sport. Now, you got to take the whole grill off, the surroundings around the lights right over here, and you got to take the whole top off, and we're going to show you step by step how to do it. The brackets on the bottom are real easy. You take the front bolt off the hooks. The back bolt you leave hang on. You put the bracket on, you put the front bolt on, and then you take the back bolt off and you line the last line up. But now you got to take off the two bolts inside.
Show them that. That's what you took off.
That's the hook. Leave the back bolt on while you take the front bolt off, or you'll lose the two welded pieces that are inside the chassis right there, like that. What's going to happen is you got to take off the whole shroud off the top. After you do that, you're going to take the rubber off of both sides, just pop them off, and there'll be a bolt here and there, and you take the grill straight up. Don't pull it out, but there'll be two wire harnesses you got to pull under here. So now I just started taking this. Here, follow me, Dad. Good job. There you go.
All right, there we go.
There you go. You got to take this out. This. You just get a little thing over there. You start pulling these out. You can break them, but if you take your time, they come right out.
Show them what they look like.
Those. You're going to take the whole shroud off the top. You can fast forward this.
We'll put this on pause for right now, right?
Yeah, just leave it.
Because you got to take all those off.
Yeah.
They don't want to see that.
Yeah, I don't know how to edit, so that's the only thing. I'm not a computer savvy.
It's not a pause?
No, it's not that. I don't know how to edit to put multiple
videos I see.
On, so if they want, they could just fast forward. They're gonna have to just deal with me being an old schooler. All right. Well, because we put the brackets under the grill wrong, so I have to take this all off. So we said, what the hell? Let's make a video, because there's not a video out there that shows this. Doesn't give you the heads up or nothing. And Westin, in their manual, shows an arrow pointing to the wrong screw. So if you use the screw that Westin is showing you, you'll be doing what I'm doing. What it is the screw that they're pointing at, it's the next one over. So don't just rely on the photo. You really gotta sit there and just rip out the pictures, because they're not gonna help you. Their pictures are not as good as you want it to be. They don't have an install video at all on their website. They just give you this little piece of paper that you print out. It's like 4 or 5 pages. It does not work. So you got to sit here and do this. The problem is, I already did this, and because they pointed out the wrong screw, I'm doing this. So that's my problem. You know. Now you pull all these out, so you don't have to buy them, because these become expensive if you start buying all these, and there's a ton of them. You don't want to go to Ford and turn around and say, oh, you need $30 worth of grommets, plastic grommets. They take
After spending $560 on the bumper guard.
So you don't want to stand here and do that. These come out nice and easy if you just show a little love. You guys can fast forward all you want. This one's got to be a pain. Okay. I'll give you that. Real simple. It comes up. It's almost like a piece of rubber. There you go. The next thing is the rubber grommets that go around. Pull them. Make sure you unclip
The vents.
the vents.
Those are
flaps.
the automatic vents for the heat and coolness of the engine.
Yeah, controls the shutters. Then there's going to be 4 bolts that are on the actual grill. Everything is in, not really tight, so don't over tighten it because it's in plastic into plastic when you're putting these back. I'm only going to show you how to take it apart. I am not showing you how to put it together because then this video will turn into an hour and a half. I'm just going to show you. The scariest thing is pulling the plastic around the lights. Now you got to watch out because there's these little plastic clips that are on the light. This all has to come out. Yeah. And the plastic little clips normally come off while you're pulling it off. So you don't want to lose them or it's going to rattle and shake on you and it won't marry back to the light the way it's supposed to. Okay. Next, we're going to go on the side. Take the 2 bolts out, the 2 little screws that are holding
The shroud.
Yeah.
The shroud around the lights.
Right by the mud guard here. Same thing when you're putting these back in. Just go easy because you'll crack the plastic. This is the scariest part. Dad, can I have the small screwdriver there? Flathead, there you go. Grab it. And you just stop pulling. And then sit down, best thing. And you'll see the little clips that you have to... See, there goes one of them. I just heard it. Two.
Show them that.
Yeah,
I'll
those are
show
the
it
clips.
to
1, 2, 3.
Hold it, wait a minute,
4,
wait.
and then the
Right.
under the-
Show them again.
These are the clips you're pulling out right here.
And there's
holding
little
that in.
white clips.
Yep, and we just lost one. It's in here somewhere. I just heard it fall. Of course, when I get the grill off, I can get under there to get it.
Okay.
This is the bolt that you gotta do to take it off.
While he's doing that, the delivery on the bumper is free. And they wrapped this bumper up like they were wrapping the Mona Lisa. It was wrapped so beautiful. It's a good company.
But repeat it on this side. Same thing.
Same thing.
Go over here. Here you go. There you go. That's how you do it. Drop it. All of them stayed on.
Good. Get you a good look at it. It's this. These little white clips right there. They pop right off.
Those are the 2 bolts. Here you go, Dad.
Okay.
And after you got the 2 wires off in the center here, you pull them off. You got to get the little rubber grommets off. I forgot the rubber grommets. You don't pull these rubber grommets off, you're never going to get it out. Be gentle so you don't break them, because they have a tendency to break and you don't want to do that. I have more of them in my garage, so I don't have to worry, but you know.
Right to the left of your knee.
There. One, 2, 3. Alright, here you go. Just be gentle with it because it has a huge mechanism behind it. Here's the little plastic clips that do fall off. There you go. Fit it onto the other one. And here's my mistake right here. These have to go here. There's one all the way hidden in here. This is the one you got to use. It's right towards the end of this. Not this one. They point to this one, but it's this one. And that's what you take off. The brackets, these are self-explanatory, really easy. Take the front bolt completely off. The back bolt you loosen. Take your thing off. You take this off. And that's it. The rest, self-explanatory. Good luck. Enjoy your push bumper.
And then you just bolt it on.